Our sun. For centuries, the many cultures of the world have created many interesting myths about it. For some, the sun was a god that traveled across the sky in a golden chariot. For others, it was the creator of light and all things. And for others, the earth had 10 suns, all taking turns shining light around the world. But we all know that the sun is none of these things. This is our sun, just one of the countless stars in the universe. A big ball of hydrogen and helium. Its surface temperature is nearly 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Our sun is the center of our solar system, which seems huge, but our tiny solar system is only a part of a vast collection of stars and star systems. There are about 200 billion stars in our galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy. About 6 billion of these stars are said to have planetary systems. Our galaxy is only one of 125 billion galaxies in the universe. Although our sun is big enough to hold 1 million Earths inside it, it's like a grain of sand compared to other stars. The sun is less than 1 million miles wide. Eta Carinae is 5 million times larger than our sun. Then there's Betelgeuse, 300 times larger than Eta Carinae. And finally, VY Canis Majoris, 1 billion times bigger than our sun. It's the largest star discovered so far. So why the different star colors? The bluer the star, the hotter. Blue stars can range up to 107,540 degrees Fahrenheit. The yellow stars, like our sun, are around 10,340 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, red stars are the coolest in temperature, about 5,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe some solar systems consist of planets with 2 suns, kind of like what you see here. A planet with more than one sun would have little, if any, possibility of life. Personally, I'd rather stick to my tiny little sun with a tiny little solar system and a tiny little planet. Because when we're talking the universe, well, yeah, it's big.